So leo siku tuna bahati yake ya Mungu sababu kuna mwimbaji anaitwa Teto Tutuma. Teto ni Maasai kutoka Kajiado. Na unajua wenyeji wa hii ardhi hapa upande za Nairobi kutoka upande hii ni wa Maasai. And for me it's a great honor to have a Maasai artist present here at Choices. Because you know what? The original people, the indigenous people, from this side of Nairobi going south Kenya, and now here finally, we have an artist that I have a lot of respect for, who is Maasai. I'll share a little bit about Teto. Teto was born and raised in Kajiado County. The village is Yankat. Unajua najaribu. His parents are both educators, and he told me that his mother was the one who would sing at home as prayer before the evening would end, and at church, and that's what got him into singing. In high school, he studied vocally and was part of drama festivals and music festivals. He started playing guitar at age 18, and he spent 6 to 8 years studying the guitar. There's one funny story he told me. He said, Father had a guitar in the house, and his dad was like, do not ever touch this thing. So at age 18, finally, Teto got that courage, and he went and he grabbed that guitar. And he self-studied that guitar. And finally, he said he ran away from home with a guitar. Came to Nairobi, hooked up with some poets, Kalamashak and crew in Dandora. His first break as an artist was at Spotlight of Kenyan Music at Alliance Francaise 2006. He was one of the finalists for that. He has curtain raised for, among other artists, Abi, Susanna Owiyo, Suzanne Gashoka, Eric Wainaina. His debut album, it's called Nusim Ai, was released this year. And in translation, My Companion, or My Company. I asked him what is his message for the audience and his people. And he said each and every one of us is unique, has his own passion and purpose, and just do what is in your heart as long as you carry it with integrity. So without further ado, I would like to call on stage Teto Tutuma. Karibu sana, give this brother a hand, please. Huh? He will be joined on stage, on bass, Samuel Mbaluka, on percussion, Kevin Shagala. Again, Teto Tutuma. Asanteni.
Now, when I was growing up, I was told something. I was told this story. One day, the frog was at the bank of a river about to cross. Immediately after, the scorpion arrived. And the scorpion chatted up the frog and said, hey, my good friend frog, can you help me cross the river? And frog knew who scorpion was, so she said, what? Me, frog, carry you, scorpion, across the river? No way. Am I out of my mind? You will sting me, and when you sting me, I will die. You know what the scorpion said? He said, yo, come on, little froggy. I see you're not using your rough little mind. If I stung you when I'm on your back in the middle of the river, see, you will die. And when you die, see, I will die too because I'm in the middle of the river with you. And frog said, huh, that makes a lot of sense. And then she said, okay, so are you going to cross with me? And frog said, sure. So scorpion jumped on the back of the frog, and the frog dove into the river and swam. But when they reached the middle of the river, the frog couldn't believe what happened. See, the scorpion stung her. And she turned and said, huh, I can't believe you just stung me. Why did you do it? See, now I'm going to drown. But then you will drown too. Why did you sting me? You know what the scorpion said? The scorpion said, I stung you because I'm a scorpion. And that's over. Kayay ko nano, beya yolo wesvara. Kayay ko nano, beya yolo wenanare. Never forget the neck. Kayay ko nano, beya yolo wesvara. Kayay ko beya muare seriani, yar gol daulai. Tangasandau, hey. Kayay go nano, beya yolo wesvara. Kayay go beya muare seriani, yar gol daulai. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. Ramayana, Baba Leshmara, Aira Wangaga, Ingisudoro Renyanak, Ninja Gunana Iriwa, Beyalo Rhino Sage, Ramayana, Baba Leshmara, Aira Wangaga, Ingisudoro Renyanak, Ninja Gunana Iriwa, Beyalo Rhino Sage. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. All of again. I subat ninye, Baba Lechmara. Eshorwangi shorot, enyanagi dwanga sagel, pero lei be shor yor muret, lenye yambori angolong. Idedege subat ninye, Baba Leshmara. Eshorwangi shorot, enyanagi dwanga sagel, pero lei be shor yor muret, lenye yambori angolong. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. Tangasandau, kolungo diego muno, pirumo kado dua, Swama na dienai. I ngasi rana normotani then na feeling it kuna bana sa na doleta kaya go be ya like no aroni munore baba like nena ba ne message ni kaya go nanu be ya ngwangi yo di naine jidangara ya na kai poso enduba si nangasandau kodungodie gomuno pirmo kyalo dwa Swama na dianai nangasandau kodungodie gomuno pirmo kyalo dwa Swama na dianai nangasandau kodungodie gomuno pirmo kyalo dwa Swama na dianai 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 ewange Tangasandau enda suba